Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You start by connecting the Xbox controller to a USB port. Plug it into the PC now. Windows will usually detect the device and begin driver installation, so make sure you're on an unlocked user session. If you have a USB-C controller cable, use a USB-C port for stability. Once you see driver activity in the taskbar, wait a few seconds for device setup. If prompted to allow device software, click Allow. This ensures the controller is recognized correctly and ready for the next steps. Now you verify and configure. Open Device Manager and look under Xbox Peripherals or Human Interface Devices. If a yellow icon appears, right-click and choose Update Driver or run Windows Update to pull the official Xbox driver. Make sure the Xbox Accessories app is installed from the Microsoft Store to check firmware and button mapping. Once done, open Game Controllers, type Joy. CPL to calibrate if needed. This confirms buttons and sticks respond correctly before launching games. Finish by testing the controller in a game or the Windows controller test page. Press every button and move each stick to confirm input. If you want custom layouts, open Xbox Accessories to remap buttons or update firmware. This fixes odd behavior. If things fail, try a different USB cable or port, reboot, and reinstall the Xbox driver from Device Manager. As a last resort, test the controller on another PC to isolate hardware versus software issues, so you can identify the.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.